Hi, in honor of Joseph Haydn's birthday, he would have been 288 years old today, I would like to play an excerpt from the Surprise Symphony. Please enjoy. Thanks for listening to that uplifting piece of music by classical composer Franz Joseph Haydn. It was written back in 1791 and is actually known as the Symphony No. 94 in G major. The full score for the entire symphony lasts about 23 minutes. One reason that it's known as the Surprise Symphony is because of the sudden loud chord that is played by the entire orchestra in the second movement. Haydn was known to be playful and comical at times, and he noticed the audience started falling asleep during the symphony. He would wake them up with this massive shout of music, and that is how the Surprise Symphony came to be. So when you're playing it, really focus on the dynamics. It's going to be very soft, and there's only a few times when you're going to play it forte or play it loud. And that, of course, is the surprise in the piece of music, and that is what you really want to work on when you're playing through this piece of music. It's fun for all levels, beginners up to intermediate and advanced. This was a very short excerpt, so again, you can find some videos online that have the full orchestra, and then that way you can really enjoy the benefit of hearing a full orchestra play the entire symphony. I highly recommend it. Thank you again for listening, and happy birthday to Haydn, one of our most beloved composers ever.